नमस्कार, ओम नमः शिवाय एंड वेलकम टू तेजस्विनी। आप सुन रहे हैं तेजस्विनी के इस लाइव ऑडियो ट्रांसमिशन को एंड टुडेज टॉपिक इज अ फियर रिमूवल रेमेडी फ्रॉम आवर एंशिएंट शक्ति टेक्स्ट श्री दुर्गा सप्तशती, जिसको हम देवी महात्म्यम या चंडी के नाम से भी बोलते हैं। सो today we are here to discuss, and I will tell you the practice of this remedy to remove fears, डर दूर करने के लिए, भय दूर करने के लिए। And I will tell you the practice. So my first request is, please like this page. Whoever is joining in, please like this page Tejaswini. And number 2, please share this live video. इस live video को please share करिए in your relevant Facebook groups and timelines, or with friends who may be interested in this remedy, who are looking for ways and methods for removing fears, difficulties. So please like the page Tejaswini. If you like the page, then you will be getting the live notification and you will be up to date with the future. Whenever the page goes live or whenever there is any important update, remedies or any methods, techniques, self-help being discussed. So please like the page and page को share करिए अपने FB groups में और timelines में, in relevant groups. So coming to श्री दुर्गा सप्तशती, तो दुर्गा सप्तशती एक हमारा सबसे प्रमुख मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट शक्ति टेक्स्ट है, यानी कि फेमिनिन एनर्जी का ये मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टेक्स्ट है, जो कि 400 to 600 CE में ऋषि मार्कंडे का इसमें योगदान है। और इसमें जो है जैसे कि उसको बोलते हैं सप्तशती, यानी कि 700 there are verses in it, and these verses are divided into 13 chapters, and these describe the glories of goddess Durga and all her energies in various forms. तो इसमें दुर्गा सप्तशती में एक स्तोत्र है, एक रेमेडी है स्पेसिफिकली फॉर फियर, एंड फियर मीनिंग फियर ऑफ द अननोन। किसी भी तरह का भय, डर, अननोन सिचुएशन में अगर कोई पड़ जाए तो क्या करना चाहिए, देयर इज अ रेमेडी फॉर दिस। एंड ये कहते हैं कि ये जब इफ यू हैव heard the story of महिषासुर मर्दिनी, जब दुर्गा ने महिषासुर का संहार किया, महिषासुर represents ego. When Mahishasur was destroyed, then all the gods and the devas requested Durga herself to provide some easy remedy, कोई सरल उपाय जो difficulties and fears को दूर कर सके. So they requested for an easy solution. Then Durga herself gave this remedy of her 32 power names. This is also called Durga Dwatrish Naam Mala. इसको easy भाषा में दुर्गा बत्तीसी भी कहते हैं. That means there are 32 names. It's a garland, mala of power names, 32 power names which can be recited and chanted. And the best thing about this remedy is, about these names is, कि इनको कोई स्थान शुद्धि की जरूरत नहीं है, इसको कोई मंत्र सिद्धि की जरूरत नहीं है. Whenever it is required, anytime, anywhere, any place, whenever there is a fearful situation or fear of the unknown, or you are placed in a situation which is not understandable or beyond control, then these names can be chanted. इसको साधना की तरह भी कर सकते हैं, तो अगर इसको डेली साधना की तरह करना है तो यू कैन सिट बिफोर दुर्गा पिक्चर और दुर्गा आइडल. आइडली इट इज सेड फेस नॉर्थ, उत्तर दिशा में घी का दिया जलाएं और इस 32 नेम्स को 5 बार, 11 बार, 21 बार बोले तो अच्छा रहेगा. 5, 11, 21 times at least. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल गो थ्रू ऑल दीज 32 नेम्स एक साथ जिस तरह इस माला में है, एंड देन आई विल गो टू ईच नेम एंड टेल यू व्हाट इट helps in, what it signifies, and what is the power in each name. So 32 names, if you go in one row: Durga, Durgati Shamani, Durga Padh Nivarani, Durga Machedini, Durga Sadhini, Durga Nashini, Durgato Dharani, Durga Nihantri, Durga Mapaha, Durgam Gyanada, Durga Daitya Lok Davanala, Durgama Durgam Loka, Durga Matma Swarupini, Durga Marg Prada, Durgam Vidya, Durgama Shrita, दुर्गम ज्ञान संस्थाना, दुर्गम ध्यान भासिनी, दुर्गम मोहा, दुर्गमगा, दुर्गमार्थ स्वरूपिणी, दुर्गमासुर सहंत्री, दुर्गमा युद्ध धारणी, दुर्गमांगी, दुर्गमता, दुर्गम्या, दुर्गमेश्वरी, दुर्गभीमा, दुर्गभामा, दुर्गभा, दुर्गदारिणी. So these are the 32 names of Durga which can be chanted. You can chant it slowly depending on your speed. And after this live session, I will, in the comment box, I will give you all the 32 names in English as well as in Sanskrit or Hindi, whatever way you would like it to be. So now coming to the 32 names, we'll go one by one. First is Durga, which is the common name. Now Durga ka agar aap breakup karo, you do the Sandhi Vichhed of Durga, it is Dur plus Gam. So Durg is something which is difficult and Gam is to go, is the Sanskrit root to go, to pass. So something which is difficult to pass, difficult to penetrate. If you have heard the word Durg, Durg means fort. So fort cannot be penetrated. It cannot go through you cannot go through a fort. It's well protected, fortified. So similarly, Durga's energy it fortifies and it is a reliever of all difficulties. It fortifies you from difficulties. Second name is Durgati Shamani. Durga puts all difficulties at peace, at rest. Durga Padh Nivarani, who removes obstacles. Durga Machedini, who pierces through the hardest of difficulties. Durga Sadhini, who controls, who can tame the difficulties. Durga Nashini, who destroys the difficulties. You'll notice all the names starts with Durg. Durgato Dharini, who uplifts you from difficulties. Durga Nihantri, who cannot be destroyed by difficulties, impossible to be destroyed by difficulties. Durga Mapaha, who measures difficulties and destroys it. Durgam Gyanada, who does not know difficulties, who makes difficulties just disappear. Durga Daitya Lok Davanala, who destroys all asuric thoughts, all negative thoughts, difficult thoughts. Durgama, who is the mother of difficulties. Durgam Loka, abode of difficulties, where all difficulties can go and rest. Durgamatma Swarupini, she is the Atma, the soul, and which is difficult to reach. Durga Marg Prada, who can find the road, who can find the marg through difficulties. Durgam Vidya, she holds the knowledge of this difficult path, all paths which we find difficult to achieve. Durga holds the knowledge. Durga Mashrita, who pulls you out from difficulties, liberates you from difficulties, extricates you from difficulties. Durgam Gyan Sanstana, she is the abode, the place where the heart to achieve knowledge is placed. Durgam Dhyan Bhasini. In difficult times, you can meditate upon Durga, who remains in meditation even when in difficulties. Durga Moha, who is able to distract away difficulties, delude the difficulties. Durga Maga, who resolves the difficulties. Durgamarth Swarupini, who is the inner nature of difficulties. Durgama Sursahantri, annihilator, she destroys the difficulties. Difficulties are like ego. So she's an annihilator of this egotism of the difficulties. Durgama Yuddhadharani, she bears the weapons for destroying the difficulties. Durgamangi, she has strong limbs, Durgamata, who is beyond difficulties. Durgamya, somebody who is hard to visit. Durgam. Durgameshwari, everything which is difficult to achieve, she is the master, she is the empress. Durga Bhima, she stands tall before difficulties. She's terrible, comes upon terribly for difficulties. Durga Bhama, she is wrathful as well. Durga Bha, who brings light onto the difficulties. She illuminates the difficulties and brings it to light. From darkness, she brings it to light. And Durga Dharani, she just cuts off, removes all difficulties. So these are the 32 names which you can chant, you can say whenever you can have this. I will put it in the comment box, the 32 names. You can save them in your phone, in your wherever possible. And whenever you feel this fear or any kind of an unknown fear, you can start chanting these 32 names. You can do it on a daily basis, like I said, 5, 11 or 21 times. And you can do it if you are placed in a fearful situation. So I would like all of you who are watching to just share this live video to your groups where you find that this post or this remedy can help people, and it can be to your timelines, it can be to your friends, relatives, or anyone who will find this useful. So this is all in the 32 names of Durga, fear removal remedy. So I can see many people joining in. Deepu Sharabu, hello. Shailaja, hi. Sunny Singh, Jai Mata Di. Madineni Narsimha Rao, hi. Thank you for being here. So I would request all of you to share this remedy in your groups and in your timelines. And I shall see you again in my next live feed with another power remedy. So do stay tuned into the page and tune into the live notifications as and when you receive it. So goodbye. See you again.